Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Claude AI. So open any browser and go to Claude AI, then sign into your Claude account. So uploading files to Claude AI is a simple way to give Claude documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, and other information it can analyze and reference in conversations. So to start, open Claude and start a new conversation. So click the prompt box and type in your prompt in here. To upload your file, click the plus icon and select Add Files or Photos. Select the file you want to upload. Then wait for Claude to finish processing the file. Then, once done, you can ask questions about the uploaded content or request summaries, analysis, edits, and more. So, let me just type in summarize this. Then press send or submit, and that's it. Next, second method is to upload files to a Claude project. So if you want Claude to remember files across multiple chats, use a project. So on the left side, click Projects, then open a project. So locate the project knowledge section on the project page. So it's at the bottom right corner. Now to upload files, you can drag and drop it in here, or you can click the plus icon and click Upload from Device. So you can upload documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, text files, or code files. So select the file that you want to upload and wait for Claude to process the file. Then start chatting within the project, and Claude can use those files as context in all project conversations. So it supports PDF documents, Word files, text files, CSV spreadsheets, HTML files, and code files and documentation. Claude can then summarize, analyze, answer questions, extract information, and help work with the content. And that's it. Thank you for watching.